The mindset of wealthy individuals has long been a subject of fascination and speculation. What sets them apart? What drives their success? These questions have fueled countless studies, articles, and discussions, yet the enigma persists. Welcome to JASPER HARUSKA TV. Please like, share, and subscribe. In this exploration, we delve into the intricacies of the rich men's mindset, seeking to uncover the beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors that contribute to their financial success and influence. Number 1. Understanding wealth. Before delving into the mindset of the rich, it's essential to define wealth. While commonly associated with monetary abundance, true wealth encompasses more than just financial assets. It encompasses aspects such as health, relationships, personal fulfillment, and contribution to society. Rich men often recognize this holistic view of wealth, prioritizing not only financial gains but also personal growth and fulfillment. Number 2. Mindset foundations. At the core of the rich men's mindset lies a set of foundational beliefs and attitudes that shape their approach to life and wealth accumulation. One such belief is the abundance mentality. Rather than viewing the world through a lens of scarcity, rich men embrace the belief that there are ample opportunities for success and abundance for all. This mindset allows them to take calculated risks, pursue ambitious goals, and navigate challenges with resilience. Another key aspect of the rich men's mindset is a focus on continuous learning and self-improvement. They understand that knowledge is power and invest in acquiring new skills, expanding their networks, and staying abreast of industry trends. This commitment to lifelong learning enables them to adapt to changing circumstances, seize opportunities, and maintain their competitive edge in a rapidly evolving world. Number 3. Strategic thinking. Rich men are strategic thinkers, adept at setting clear goals and developing actionable plans to achieve them. They understand the importance of long-term vision and are willing to delay gratification in pursuit of their objectives. Whether in business, investments, or personal development, they approach each decision with careful consideration, weighing risks and rewards to maximize their chances of success. Furthermore, rich men possess a keen sense of financial literacy and investment savvy. They understand the power of compounding, diversification, and asset allocation, leveraging these principles to grow and preserve their wealth over time. From real estate and stocks to entrepreneurship and venture capital, they deploy their resources strategically, seeking out opportunities for growth and passive income generation. Before we proceed, have you subscribed? Please do if you haven't, as it goes a long way in helping this channel grow, and don't forget to like, share and comment, as it makes the algorithm to recommend this channel to more people to benefit from. Let's proceed. Number 4. Entrepreneurial spirit. Many rich men are entrepreneurs at heart, driven by a passion for innovation, problem solving, and creating value. They possess a strong work ethic and are not afraid to roll up their sleeves and put in the hours necessary to turn their visions into reality. Moreover, they embrace failure as a natural part of the entrepreneurial journey, viewing setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. In addition to their own ventures, rich men often recognize the importance of collaboration and partnership in achieving their goals. They surround themselves with talented individuals who complement their skills and share their vision, fostering a culture of teamwork, trust, and mutual support. By harnessing the collective expertise and resources of their network, they multiply their impact and accelerate their path to success. Number 5. Mindset shifts. While the rich men's mindset provides a roadmap for financial success, it is not without its challenges and limitations. One common pitfall is the risk of becoming complacent or overly conservative once wealth is attained. Without the hunger and drive that propelled them to success in the first place, rich men may lose sight of opportunities for growth and innovation, settling for mediocrity rather than pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Moreover, the pursuit of wealth can sometimes lead to an imbalance in other areas of life, such as health, relationships, and personal well-being. Rich men must guard against the temptation to sacrifice these essential aspects of life on the altar of financial success, recognizing that true wealth encompasses more than just material abundance. In conclusion, the mindset of rich men is characterized by a combination of abundance mentality, strategic thinking, entrepreneurial spirit, and a commitment to continuous learning and self-improvement. By understanding and embracing these principles, individuals can unlock their potential for financial success and fulfillment in all areas of life. However, it is essential to strike a balance between ambition and contentment, recognizing that true wealth encompasses more than just monetary abundance. Ultimately, the rich men's mindset offers valuable insights and lessons for anyone seeking to achieve their goals and create a life of purpose and prosperity. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more psychological facts.